Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to write a case study in managerial economics. First, you must thoroughly understand the case by identifying the central problem or decision challenge. Clearly define the firm's objectives and recognize any operational or environmental constraints. It is crucial to consider both internal microeconomic factors, like production costs, and external macroeconomic trends, such as market conditions, that influence the situation. This initial phase sets a strong foundation for your entire analysis. Next, collect all pertinent data, both numerical and descriptive, to support your analysis. Apply key managerial economic tools and theories, including demand forecasting, cost analysis, and understanding various market structures. Evaluate how incentives, pricing strategies, and competitive forces within the industry impact the firm. These frameworks are essential for thoroughly assessing the current situation and predicting potential outcomes of different decisions. After analyzing the economic factors, generate several viable alternative solutions to the identified problem. It is important to evaluate each option rigorously by weighing its costs against its benefits, often using quantitative methods like net present value. Additionally, assess the potential risks and uncertainties inherent in each solution, as managerial decisions frequently involve forecasting future events and their impacts on the business. Finally, present a clear, concise, and well-reasoned recommendation for the best course of action. This recommendation must be strongly supported by the economic analysis and evidence you have gathered throughout your study. Conclude by outlining a practical implementation plan, detailing the steps required to put the solution into practice, and clearly stating the anticipated positive outcomes for the firm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.